right, we got our hookups. I got a new downstream injector. I got my hookups from my Titan reel. We're gonna go out here, hook this shit up and get started. We got a big job today. I was telling you guys about it earlier. I got my, oh, look at my bleach clothes. I'm about to hire another guy, you know, so I can just kind of part ways with the work portion and, you know, go build out the website and everything else. So, yeah, so that's where we're at. Should be good. Soak this shit down. So we finished the roof cleaning. That's pretty easy. Had a little downstream injector problem, dude. Brand new downstreamer that's not working for us. So, you know, sometimes that happens, dude. I think those parts are probably like $1 from China, and they sell them to us for 30 bucks. China sells them to them for probably 15, and they're just cheap, you know. Normally don't like surface cleaning decks, but this one's really bad, so don't do it. She waterproof. Oh yeah, it's not break proof though. Yeah, dude. If you hit this, you're gonna have to do all these outsides. But then again, dude, it's not even really, it's not clean. You know. It's just not. This is like $50 Craigslist guy, you know.
Oh, for sure.
I would just hit it and then just let's just, you know, do it.
Priced him at $180.
Yeah, let's just go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Super low pressure on the washer, just nothing crazy. You know, we don't have the machine even halfway up, so it's not really putting a ton of pressure on the wood to scar it all up. It's still ugly. They need to restain it, seal it, do something. Hell yeah. All right, guys. So just wrapping up here. My dude Kurt is still window cleaning, and we hit that roof up there. It's nasty. Long day, but we made good money on this deal, man. I need to get me, I got about 8 candidates who I'm going to talk to hire. Just a guy who we can put on you know, a surface cleaner, something like that. And we got like 12 calls today, you know, so it's good overall. Man, it's just like busting loose. We got somebody for this NFL draft here who wants us to clean the windows on this like a tent that has like glass windows. It's insane, dude, like the jobs that we're getting, and it's literally just because of my SEO and everything, man. I mean, look, 2017, 2018, we weren't getting calls like this. And the way it works is you just keep building, you keep building, you keep building, and eventually it all comes to a head and busts off like this. But it's hard to tell in the moment because you're just, you know, you don't see anything from it. But this is the house that we did today. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Alright. Hope you guys are having a great day. Man, Kurt sold that one. So, as always, if you want to check out what we made on that deal, go to the website, leanandmeanacademy.com. It's probably not even up yet. You can try it. I've been building it up. Basically, I want to show you guys, you know, some of the psychology. Y'all know I love that. Y'all know I love automation. And y'all know I love remaining lean and mean, one truck, creating big profits with one truck and, you know, 2 guys or whatever we need to run it. You know, I'm tired of working on it, so I'm gonna hire another guy and basically go drink some coffee.